Welcome to CJ Wild Money Entertainment. And today is Tech Tuesday. So I got something technical and it's unique. So come with me and see what I got. Now, if you're interested in this or you want to know more about it, in my description below this video, there's a link. Hit on that link. Read about it. Compare prices elsewhere. Okay, here we go. Here we go. It's Cellular lights. And it has a remote. And I gotta put it together. I don't do anything tech without reading the instructions. So, we'll be back. Okay, this is the stuff that came in the box. And these are Firework solar lights. So these are unique solar lights. And I'm going to unravel it and put everything in order, and then we'll be back. Okay, I'm removing the plastic from the solar panel. I always forget to do this. And without this being done, you don't get the full solar effect. So that's what I did with this. These are the stakes on how high you want it. So I'm taking a stake and I'm adding an extender to it. And then I add the solar light to it. And make sure it's in all the way, but don't bend it. So you just turn it to make sure it's in it. It'll stop. So I'm going to do that to all of these, and then we'll be back. Okay. Now I have my adjustable, and I'm going to put the stake into here that makes the panel adjustable from here. Hook up the panel. You want to make sure that you lay everything out because you don't want to get everything tangled up. Delicate wires. And here. And you screw it in. Once you put this in, then you screw this on to make sure that it stays in. Then you flip this over and you slide in the stake. Turn it on and off. And this is the mode, the green. That's flashing and twinkle. These are copper wires, so you can move them in any direction to get ahead and make it more your personal lights. You just got to be delicate on moving it because it's connected to the wires. So I'm going to take my time and make a design. Okay, we're going to put these outside. See how they look. This is the remote that it came with. It uses a CR2025 button battery, which is easy to get. The on, the off, 4 hours, 8 hours, to dim them, to brighten them. This is the first time I've seen solar lights that has a remote control. So that makes it very unique. We're going to test them out as soon as it gets dark. I love lights. I love lights. Thumbs up if you like this video. Slap that subscribe button because you want to see more.